Is your computer getting too hot to handle? Maybe the fans sound like a jet engine, your laptop feels like a frying pan, or worse, your PC shuts down unexpectedly. Overheating computers are more common than you might think, especially in the warmer months, and ignoring the signs can shorten the lifespan of your CPU, storage, or even cause permanent damage to it. Now, you might be thinking that the only way to fix this is to go and buy a whole new computer, or get an expensive water cooling kit, but the likelihood is that the problem can be fixed much easier and with little to no cost. Today, we'll walk you through how to spot an overheating computer, why it happens, and most importantly, how to fix and prevent it. So, how do you know if your PC is overheating? Well, here are some clear signs. Your computer would feel hot to touch. Now, warm is normal, but 90 degrees Celsius or higher for a CPU temperature is abnormal. Loud fans. If they're constantly running at maximum speed, that means your system is struggling. Abrupt shutdowns or crashes. These are basically a built-in safety measure to prevent hardware damage. You may also notice sluggish performance, screen freezes, or the dreaded blue screen of death. You can confirm overheating by installing monitoring apps like HWMonitor or Core Temp, which will show you real-time CPU and GPU temperatures. Computers overheat for a variety of reasons. Some are obvious, but others can be sneaky. Heavy workloads, for example. If you're running too many apps, gaming, and live streaming all at once, that puts a tax on your PC. Browser overload. Having dozens of open tabs constrains system resources. Unresponsive apps. If you have crashed or frozen software, that's going to keep pushing the CPU up to 100%. Defective fans. If cooling fans fail, the heat has nowhere to go. Dust buildup. Vents and fans get clogged with dust, that is going to reduce the airflow in your computer. Or blocked air vents in general. Resting your laptop on a bed or covering up your desktop vents is going to trap heat. Outdated software. Old drivers and operating system versions can cause inefficiencies and higher temperatures. Virus and malware. Some malware will actually hog your CPU usage, which will indirectly cause overheating. In short, too much workload, not enough cooling. Overheating isn't just an annoyance though, it can actually damage your computer. High heat can degrade your CPU and GPU over time, shorten your laptop's battery lifespan, and can corrupt files in your system if it crashes mid-task. In extreme cases, it may even permanently damage your hard drive or SSD. That's why it's critical to fix overheating early. Once you've identified the problem, here are the best fixes. Clean your PC. Dust is the number one culprit, so clean inside your case and the fans at least twice a year. Improve airflow. Place your PC on a hard surface, not a bed or a couch, and keep the vents clear. Check and replace your fans. If they're too loud or they're not spinning, it may be time for a replacement. Reapply thermal paste. Old paste between the CPU, GPU, and the heat sinks may need refreshing. Use external cooling. Cooling pads for laptops or extra fans for desktops can help. Shut down unused apps. Use Task Manager to see what's hogging your CPU and close it. Update your software. Install the latest drivers and OS patches for better resource management. Or turn it off. Sometimes, if temperatures are still rising, give your computer a break and restart it. With these steps, most overheating issues can be solved without expensive repairs. To prevent overheating in the future, you should also consider keeping your workspace dust-free, avoid blocking vents with clutter, limit resource-heavy multitasking, monitor your temperatures regularly, and if you do perform regular extensive tasks like gaming or content creating, and everything so far hasn't worked, you may consider upgrading to a better cooling solution. Now, as mentioned already, sometimes overheating causes your PC to crash whilst saving files, and you could then lose important data. If that happens, data recovery tools like Wondershare Recoverit can help restore lost photos, videos, or documents quickly and securely. And the latest version of Recoverit 14 even uses AI for a more comprehensive recovery of lost data or corrupted files. Whether the files were on a hard drive, USB drive, SD card, or camera, it doesn't matter. Simply download and install Recoverit. Make sure that the data location is connected to the computer, run the software, and click Scan on the relevant drive. Recoverit will then perform a quick scan to find deleted files, followed by a deep scan to look for fragments of corrupted files that it can try and piece back together. Once the scans are complete, it will show you all the files that it was able to locate. Select which files you'd like to retrieve and click the Recover button. It's a lifesaver when system errors catch you off guard. So, now you know how to spot, fix, and prevent overheating computers. Take care of your machine and it will last longer, perform better, and keep your data safe. So if you found this video helpful, do please hit the like, subscribe buttons for more tech tips, and share this with anyone you know who's struggling with a hot computer. Thanks for watching.